What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sage Jones, and I am coming to you with a new video explaining what I did to make $207.84 in a new prop firm challenge that I started on the second. So I purchased a prop firm challenge actually on the third because I purchased a prop firm challenge actually last night on the 3rd of January of 2024. I purchased it at like 10 o'clock at night. Um, so I am up $207 on this $10,000 funded account challenge. And I wanted to show you guys what I exactly did to actually make this money. I did it in two trades. I had two winning trades, one losing trade. The big trade that I had, the biggest trade on this account that I had was $164. As you can see here, this is a trading history. I had some small losses and some small wins, right? So, um, but as you can see here, actually the amount that I actually, I'm sorry, I said it was 164. It was actually $154. But I had a few decent trades. I had a trade that was $75, a $41 joint. Um, and I just wanted to show you that when you're trading Forex, it doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be hard. Um, as you can see, you guys know that I have multiple strategies to get in and out of the market. The strategy I used taking this trade, the trade that netted me $154, was actually a trade on all Jappy that I took around, I believe it was around maybe 5 o'clock Central Time. And this is it right here. This is the trade here. So this is where I took the trade. So it's a simple pullback strategy. I'm following the trend with the pullbacks. So let me see if I can bring up the history. So history, boom. So as you can tell, I took the trade. I'm not capping. I opened the trade here, and this is where it closed. So I opened my trade after the pullback happened, and the bounce happened off the support here, and I took profit up here. So basically, this is what I did. I jumped up to the hourly time frame. The hourly time frame is on support, and the candles, as you can see here, are above the 200 moving average, 200 moving average, because this is the 200 EMA. The candles are above it, are above the 200 moving average. So what I did was I looked down here. I seen my support had hit. Sorry, I'm getting signals here. I seen my support hit here. The solar wind is above the zero area here. As you guys know, I use the same indicators consistently. Solar wind, support and resistance, and trend point. So the trend point arrow is in a buy here, as you can see. The support is here. Also, the solar winds above the 0 point. So what I did was I dropped down to the 5. The market was up here. So this is where the resistance had hit, right? So the resistance was in this area. It pulled back to the 200 and created this support. Once this support happened, what I did was I waited until the solar wind broke through here, and I entered the trade, right? Now, once I entered the trade, I'm confident in my trade where I knew that the trend point arrow was going to come. So this bounce happened here off of support, and I entered and pulled my take profit here to the most recent high, which the most recent high was here. So all I did was, as soon as that pullback happened and I got a support on the hitting the 200 moving average and bouncing off. I entered my trade and set my take profit at previous resistance, which made me $154 on this account. And as you can see, the same thing is happening here. The resistance is creating itself. It's pulling back to the 200 moving average. What you're gonna do is wait until a support creates itself and a trend point creates itself, and you get that solar wind breakthrough. You're gonna enter the trade and set your take profit to the previous high. So when you're using this strategy, you're going to wait for that pullback to happen and always take your take profit at the previous high. So once again, what I did was I jumped up to the hour, seen that the hour solar wind was above and showing that the market was in a buy. My support and resistance, my support was showing, my trend point arrow was going. The candles are above the 200 moving average. As you can see here, they're above the 200. I dropped down to the 5 or the 15, but what I did was I actually dropped down to the 5. When I dropped down to the 5, I seen that I waited until the pullback happened into this area. The support created itself. The solar wind broke through. I entered the trade as soon as the solar wind broke through. I got a trend point arrow into the trade, held it up to $154. Now, all you have to do, your setup is very simple, just like every other time, right? So you're gonna load up your 200 moving average. Your 200 moving average is going to be excremental. I can't never say this word. Excremental. Um, you're going to load up the support and resistance indicator, which will be in the description below, like all the other videos that I have posted here. The links to these indicators will be below in the description. So anybody looking for the indicators for any of these strategies, the indicators are in the description. Before we finish, please like, comment, and subscribe. Me doing these videos is helping you, so help me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with someone you think this will work or help. Please, I'm trying to build my YouTube channel. So if you see this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That gives me the motivation to keep giving you guys these videos. But back to the strategy. So you load up the support and resistance, the support and resistance level, ultimate trend. Ultimate trend indicator. Leave the settings exactly where they are. And then you're going to load up the trend point. Trend point needs to be on 27. As always, the only thing you're going to change is the SSP. You're going to change this to 27. Once you do that, you're going to make sure your solar wind is loaded. You load your solar wind. Solar wind. Once your solar wind is loaded, you're going to go to levels, hit add. It's going to put 0.0 there. You're going to hit OK. And whenever you get the 3 confirmations, then you're going to enter. So you got a pullback, a support, solar wind broke through, you got your trend point arrow, you entered the market, take profit at the previous high. What's going to happen again? So what you're going to do here, we'll look back. You got your support and resistance. It pulls back does a pullback to the 200 moving average. Support creates itself. Solar wind is broken through. As you can see, the solar wind is green. It's above. What you're gonna do is wait for the trend point arrow to hit. You're gonna take your profits at the previous high. I know you guys see this long run here, right? But with this strategy, you always want to take your profit at the previous high. The previous high would have gotten you 29 pips, 30 pips. See right here, this is the previous high. As you look where the points are, where the points say 301, that's not 300 pips, that's 30 pips. So right here, if you would have opened the trade and went to this point to your previous high, you'd have made 30 pips. 20, 30 pips is all you need. 20 pips is a sweet spot. What I did was I entered here. And I took my profit here. This is where my previous high was, right? This is where my previous high was. This was 27 pips. So I made $154 off 27 pips. So that's it. That's the meat and potatoes of it. I'm going to be documenting whether I win or lose. I'm going to document my my journey trading with funded pips. If you are interested in taking a funded pips challenge is only $60 for a $10,000 account. It's a two-phase challenge. You only have to hit 8% on the first phase, 4% on the second phase. After you're profitable for 5 trading days, after you're funded, you can withdraw after 5 profitable days after being funded. Most of these prop firms require you to pass 2 phases and then be profitable for 2 weeks. So you can't even pull money out of the account for 2 weeks. With funded pips, you pass the first, pass the second. They're lower. The expectations are lower. 8% on the first, 4% on the second. They're cheap. They're 60. It's $60 to get a $10,000 account. Well, these other prop firms are charging like 150, 160. I just seen a prop firm charging 157 for a $10,000 account. Um, and you have to wait 14 days to get paid. With funded pips, once you pass your challenge and you're profitable you make money 5 days, you have 5 days to trade. Whatever you made within that 5 days, you can withdraw. That's why I like funded pips. Just show you that I'm not capping about the funded account. I'm gonna go over to the funded pips back office. As you can see, I purchased this account yesterday, January 3rd, 2024. We are up a profit 2.08%. We are up $207.84. Total loss limit for the day is $661. So I could lose up to $661. Total max limit drawdown limit is $1,207.84. So this is the total amount that I can lose. And my profit target now is $592.16. I am 25.98% through my challenge. The challenge target is $800. As you can see, here's all 3 trades. I took a trade here. This is the first trade I took on the second. When I created the account. So I created the account actually on the second at night. So I think, yeah. So I created the account on. I created the account on the second. On the second at like 10 o'clock, and then it crossed. I made $97.50. And then of course 12 o'clock hit. And then I took a trade and lost $39. And then today I made 154. So all those little small increment trades don't really matter. They're not calculating those trades. Also, the great thing about funded pips, right? So the one thing I do like there's a few things I like about funded pips. So The few things that I really like about funded pips is actually you can keep up with what everybody else is doing, right? So you click on competition, and as you look, it shows you, the competitions you can join. If you click here, leaderboard, you can actually see what other people are doing. So the highest payout on $100,000 account was by this person. They cashed out $50,000. This person has a $5,000 account. Their win ratio was 100%. Fastest evaluation 1 day and 1 minute on $100,000 account. This person. Um, you got someone trading German 40. This person's in second place. This person's trading Euro USD. They're in first place. You got this person trading gold. They're in third place. So it's overall it's pretty cool. So you can actually, and then you can break up and look at what everybody's doing over the accounts, which I think is pretty cool. So like you see, this person has $100,000 account and they have made $204,000 in profit. That's insane. That's crazy. On $100,000 account, this person has made $200,000 in profit. Whoever this person is the GOAT. Um, these all look like foreign names too. Like to be honest with you, like all these names look foreign. Um, which I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I feel like all these, like if you look at them, all these names are foreign. These people are pretty darn good traders. Like this person here has $100,000 account and they're up $46,000. This person has $100,000. They're up 25,000. These aren't too bad. These aren't too bad. The lowest person on the totem pole is up $8,000. So hey, on this $100,000 account. So let's look at the $10,000 area. This person has 10. Wow, this person is pretty darn good. They have a $10,000 account. Their total profits is $7,000. This person had $10,000 account. Their total profits is 2,922. So I think it's pretty cool to be able to look at a leaderboard and actually see what people are doing. Like that's pretty cool. But this number here, this is crazy. This person is up 204% profit. That is on $100,000 account. This person has doubled his account, doubled it. That isn't crazy. I wonder what his strategy is. That's crazy. But yeah, um, with that said, I hope you guys like this content. And for more trading information, you can contact me, or you can view the videos that I have on my channel showing you guys how to trade the way I trade. I'm going to do a full-fledged in-depth video um, on how I took the trades that I took today. And till next time, it's your boy Sage Jones, a smart investor. Peace. Please like, comment, subscribe. All right, guys, take it easy.